Alright guys, so it's time to check out the finished fender flare, or at least finished in fiberglass. And it's time to pull it off. Pretty nervous about it because it's just one of those big things to do, but it's all said and done. It's nice and hard, and I spent a lot of hours trying to get it done. So next is sanding, smoothing out, and filling in, and then making the mold. So let's go check it out and let's pull it off. Here's the back half. It actually scoops down. This line is pretty much where it's getting cut, but all of this has been added on. Before it stopped about here, or about here. So I've added on about another 2.5 inches. I've also done around the gas door, so just need to sand that smooth, fix it out. And then of course I've added all this extra section here, and then continued the shape on all the way to the front, like I said. So this piece down here still needs to get trimmed and then all smoothened out. So let's pull it off. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the rear. Almost seems like it wants to pull off the whole bumper. Here it goes. All over the place. Just trying to ease it off, and yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, it's coming out real good.
Oh, not too much, not too much.
Nah, it's all tape, huh? It's like a Band-Aid. Just gotta take it off. Alright, so you hit stop real quick so it can hit go again. Alright, so just this one last piece. I kind of feel like I should still come from the top, maybe. So, there it is. I mean, minus all like the extra junk and everything, of course. You know, just have to cut it. Take off all the extra stuff. There it is, all nice and solid. What I'll probably do is just lay a layer of fiberglass here, just to make sure it holds it in place. Same thing along here, just so it holds it in place and doesn't weaken. So, but all in all, this side came out pretty smooth too. Pretty neat, huh? Kind of exciting. Okay, so there it is, all pulled off. I did retest fit it. It fits like a glove. No changes occurred in the pull off. Just got to sand this smooth real nice so it flows and get that real nice curvature like you have here. Wheel well section looks pretty good. If anything, I'm thinking put something here and on the back side, maybe have it come up a little more, about up to here, and then trim that real nice. This side came out really good and solid. I'm pretty happy. Now it's time to pull off the front flare off the front fender. So there's the driver's side, front and rear. Of course, all they need is cleanup, trimming, sanding, and then smoothing to perfection, and then mold making. Yeah, that's exciting. So neat. Now it's time to take off the front one, which I was always so scared to do, but I just never did. But being that the rear one's already off, let's go and try this front one too. Fiberglass can get sharp. Now this one might be a little harder because I did wrap around the fiberglass around the front end here. So it might be a little harder to take off. No TCs were harmed in the making of this kit, just to let you all know. We're about saving the endangered TCs. Let's see. That's getting windy. Said this is the part that's going to be the doozy because of the wraparound here. But I did that so I can trim it and make sure like it fit the car real good. Of course, I'm going to go and add in a little extra material, but nothing extreme. There it is. There it is, folks. On this side you can see where I've added the foam. I'm going to take that foam out, reinforce all this, trim it up, make it real nice and clean. But voila. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, guys, so there they are. Driver's side said and done. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. This is so rad. Yeah, like it all fits perfectly onto the TC too. Like, I can't tell you all how excited I am. I mean, look at how that front line shoots straight to the back in same length and all. So it's legit. It's not shorter. It's not overly long. It actually, I mean, look at it. I mean, it goes all the way through. Golly, I'm excited about this. So I'll clean these up, start doing the passenger side, because let's face it, the faster I get the passenger side, the faster you all start getting kits. I just got to clean these lines here, shave off a couple of millimeters here, just clean up and shave, and then start making the rivet points, which is another easy task. But man, that is legit. Rock on. Well, there you guys have it. I'm making this video real short just because I want you to see how cool it is where I'm at. The pull off alone was very neat, crisp, and exciting. So this video I want to try to get out quick because I just put out some other ones and I wanted this one to come out so that way, let's face it, it keeps the excitement coming. All right, I'm just going to do one more quick little clip just to show you that it still fits after I've taken it off. I'm trying not to scratch up the paint. I did already take off the tape. But there you go. Nice and easy. No like what ifs and everything. It fits exactly back the way it needed to go. So now it's just time for trimming. Very cool. All right guys, so if you're liking what you're seeing and it's getting you excited like it's getting me excited, keep following. This is something you've got to do. Hit a thumbs up if you like it, even if you don't like it. Hit a thumbs up regardless. So, you know, I stepped on something, but it wasn't anything important, don't worry. It's just crap on the floor. So, but not real crap. Anyhow, so hit a thumbs up. Hit subscribe so that way you can see how it's coming out. Even if you don't like it and you want to like maybe criticize it even, that's cool too. I'll take the criticism. I'll take positive and negative criticism. Me and Gabe are all about that so that way we can make future changes on any future kits that we're going to be making for cars out there. It gives us an idea of what people are thinking and want. So hit subscribe. Help us out. We need about 1,000 subscribers. We're almost at 700. That way we can, you know, keep this going, at least the recording, because it does take time and effort to put these through. But remember to follow us also on Instagram. We keep things more updated there. So it's Jason_TC2 and Gabe is FA1 Gabe 6. So don't forget to hit subscribe. So you guys are awesome. Thank you for keeping in touch. For those of you all who haven't reached out, feel free to do so if you want to. We always respond. You guys take it easy. Thanks for watching.